Hey there, welcome back. This is a super short video, a bonus video where we will discuss about when to use what, when to use which data type. Alright, so in here is an example. X, for example, is a variable and we are assigning value 25. Then X is nothing but the destination, whereas the value is the source. Alright, so when to use what? When you use double. In any general scenario where floating point number is required, always use double. Double is more preferred, recommended way to go and more precise. So whenever we are dealing with floating point number, use double instead of float. Then if there is any operation and you know that the output is a floating point number, definitely go with double again. Why? Because definitely double is more precise and it will store data more precisely. Then finally, if you need high precision, then definitely double is the way to go. Double is again recommended. Now when to use float? Definitely if there is a specific requirement to store only float type of value, a less precision value, then you can definitely go with float, but in majority of the cases double is the way to go. Then generally int is the way to go whenever we are dealing with integer type of value, int entity. The range is good enough, large enough. We have already talked about the range in our previous videos. So range of int is good enough, and in general scenario int is the way to go. But if there is a occasion where int type is not large enough, then you can definitely go with long. Alright, now friends, there are like more data types, more primitive data types, and the usage of the remaining data type are based on requirement. For example, if you wish to store a boolean value, definitely a boolean type needs to be used. If you would like to store a string entity, definitely a string is the only option. So definitely there is no point of discussion for the rest of the data type. And that's it for today. This was a super short bonus video for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.